It's currently Halloween and it's Bobbi's birthday dinner tomorrow, and so I am going to make her star-shaped like gold sugar cookies. That's the plan. And me and Natalia are going to the cinema to watch The Shining at 8. I need to go to Asda to get stuff to make the cookies, and then I'm going to make them when we come back from the cinema. Hope you enjoyed my little outfit montage. Anyway, I think someone just let off fireworks in a park on Halloween with kids around. I saw a group of boys all wearing black, all running away, so slay.
Decided.
Would you wear a Zara outfit with it? Definitely, and then what you'll get is putting out there 7 days later it's there. So it could be you did go to China? Yeah? 14.3 social followers.
I am gonna vlog today. Hello! Oh my god, it feels weird, I haven't vlogged in ages. It is Elise's vlog. Right, Elise is gonna go because Elise has to rush. But see y'all later. I have so much to do. I have to make Bobbi's cookies, which she doesn't know she's getting cookies, which is why I didn't say it, but I have to make her cookies, I have to shower, I have to straighten my hair, and I have to get ready. And I have to be at their house for 6. So I have like 5 hours, minus 2 for travel. I have 3 hours to do all that. Oh dear God. I think Liv is asleep and I don't have a key to the house. I might have to try and fix her a window. She's awake. I think, oh, also, do you like this jumper? My nan knitted it for me and I sent her that I was wearing it today. And I don't think she's seen it yet, but... Okay, I've pajama-fied myself. Plan is, I'm gonna go make some lunch, make the cookies, shower, ice the cookies, get ready, and finish getting the rest of Bobbi's presents together, and then leave it. The dough the next day. Look how adorable. I made this today. Judge me all you want, I love Winnie the Pooh. So my little stencil, that took me so long. The playlist I am on is called Autumn Bacon. This song is not giving autumn bacon. At this point, Sasha helped me ice the cookies because I was getting ready and the gold glitter was not doing what I needed it to do. And the icing, well, I bought the wrong thing. It wasn't icing, it was colouring. So I had to make do with what we had.
You do vlogs again?
Yes.
I do all the time. Saturday after days before. Oh, I like red velvet, yeah. Cream. Oh, the brand on the side of it, that's so cool. That's a cute card.
I thought that was very
cute.
Yeah. This is a thing that needs like slight explanation, but not really.
My execution is so bad.
It's a mug, but it's a Christmas cowboy mug. Because I was like, I can't get her something for Christmas for her birthday. But then Killian was like, no, like a Christmas mug, and it's cowboys.
I was saying,
And she said you don't have a mug. And I was like, you need a mug for your hot chocolate.
You wanted hot chocolates and you didn't have a mug.
Because then I messaged you, didn't I? And I was like, did I buy that time?
Oh yeah!
Cool, that's what you love.
Just like handle it.
Next time I try, don't just like eat it all.
Oh, stop! Wait, why? Oh, you said it was chocolate. Wednesday.
I was gonna say, I was literally going to say this feels like Christmas, like a Christmas like service.
No, it's
It might actually be. I have no actual idea. It could be. It might not be. It's such cute candles. I know. Are we doing twins? I'm scared. How are you? Yeah. Hello. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Bobbi. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray!
Yeah, she ate it. I am.
I love this.
Isn't it cute?
She's 2.
She's 2.
There is loads. I know. I made so many.
What was the recipe? How many for?
40. And I didn't make 40. I made them. I made. I have to wash my hands and then also wipe down Okay, you definitely will get glitter on your hands. I'd be 10. I'm a 1 out of 1 because I'm a rat. I just went like that as soon as you started yawning. They're having a show. I'm so sorry. Such a bitch. Right now, Kaylin and Sasha are just having an Uno showdown, and me and Sonia are looking at what cards they get before they get them for our own entertainment.
Oh, we used to play Mafia.
Oh, that's such a good game. I love Mafia.
Like, it's late now. I think Bobbi's
Yeah, I know. You know, not right now. One day, eventually. Okay.
We took it out of play.
We did.
I saw that, yeah.
We were very slick with it, to be
I
fair.
watched it happen.
No, because I put it back in and I was like, nah.
It gives one
It
too much
gives
power.
too much power. Because as soon as you've got it.
Give me too much power.
Real.
Because no one else knows. Well, they will now because they've watched me play with it.
I didn't use it on Sonia, but we were a lot more sportsman-like.
Yeah, we got. I used it on you, but then it backfired.
Oh yeah.
I've missed hanging out with all you guys. I'm only stuck with mine planning. So.
Hey, stuck with, excusez-moi.
It's stuck with you can come to the
I
flat.
quite love my housemates who are watching this vlog right now. Below.
I think she needs to be shut the hell up. You're gonna get copyrighted with your this singing.
Scrolling
Oh,
Instagram.
Oh.
But whatever else, keep
Oh, it's in the
on
whole
telling
game.
yourself I'm not
Oh.
crazy.
Oh wow, look, you can just see the inside of the train.
Okay, I literally have no time to talk about anything. But this is my outfit. I'm going to watch the fireworks at Patsy. I don't know whether to bring my headphones or not. Oof. But I haven't had food, so I need to eat something. I should have left like 5 minutes ago, but it's fine. Okay. I'm just gonna put my hair into little plaits because my bagels are really warm right now.
I am vlogging this, by the way. I wanted to get the power station in the back. Spanish?
Vacaciones? My scarf looks awful. You didn't say
What
that.
do you mean?
Todo bien. ¿Y tú? Sí,
Yes.
sí.
See. Time to shit now. We're all together. Is this Aquamarine? Huh? This song is giving Aquamarine.
I've never.
Addison Rae. Aquamarine.
I don't think Addison Rae.
Oh my god, no, I love Addison Rae's songs now. Like she's that. Well, she's released a new one now. Oh my god, I'm so excited. We're getting closer to the music.
So you just hear it getting louder and louder.
Thumps. That is like a concert. I've got adrenaline now. We might go on some rides.
Not me, because I
We're
don't
gonna
like
see
rides.
fireworks. Me and Kaylin love rides, so we're gonna go on rides.
Bobby will be on the sideline.
See a high one.
Oh, are we sure that's not a building?
Well, it may be because we are in London. I
Yeah,
forgot about that.
maybe.
But we'll see.
It's okay. Why is it so blue?
It's giving Hyde Park tree.
It's giving Hyde Park tree. We all have. Why are you
waiting for. You have been an amazing audience. Are you ready? Welcome to the 2024 Battersea Park Fireworks Show. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I think they're done. Someone's so getting fired for that. Maybe they just let them all go and then they'll just start the next song. Yeah, that makes more sense.
Make some noise!
What do you think of the fireworks, Killen?
Impeccable, but there could have been a better.
Yeah, like it wasn't very long. It was like 25 minutes long.
Oh, they got extreme.
Oh, I love that one. Is that like Super Bowl? Ice cream. Me and Kaylin are gonna try and go on this ride, but the line is ridiculously long. So if it takes too long,
My double chin was in that.
my double chin is always in it. I've just accepted it now.
Let me
All of my hair is falling out. We went on the ride. Hola.
Where's like the end?
The ride was good. £8, which is ridiculous. I'm saying how our ride
we
was.
had a great time on the ride. It was not long enough, but it was great enjoyment.
Yeah.
Enjoyment.
Feet went a bit numb and pins and needles, and that's about it. Oh. Helter skelter. Oh, that's so. My camera is so.
It's gonna be here, Bobby. Open up your eager eyes.
I'm really hungry now with all this food. There's so many food places. But I have food at home. We have food at home. I don't need merch as well. What do you mean? Merch? For what? They seem to be having a lovely time over there.
But she's touching his chest now.
If Mason was here, that bratwurst would be the first thing he'd get. I cannot relate.
Bratwurst, that's so ground.
Haha, but she's so Julia.
I don't know what to do. Can you see any napkins that one of the...
Is it nice?
It's really good.
This is so full with the leaves. It's giving
I'm
autumn.
gonna pick the leaves.
There's not many leaves. We look like we're like doing like like when people walk like that. Oh.
It's on the screen if you need it. I wanna dance with somebody who loves me.
Doesn't then bother that much. There's people on the balcony. Envy those. One most likely to do that, Kaylin.
Oggy!
Of just walking.
My hair is a mess.
Your hair is a mess.
At least you got beanies with like.
That's. I mean, that's why it's a mess. We were just talking about all like this stuff. Like when you look up into buildings, like you can just see the lights, and then it looks like really weird and like they're like.
We can't be putting it on full.
I have to speak quietly because I feel like everyone's asleep. Anyway, I'm home from the fireworks, which was so fun. I'm gonna go take off my makeup. I'm gonna try and edit a video for the first time in months. But I thought I'd finish this video now because I didn't speak a lot in this video. It was more of just showing what I've done. So that's for that. Or good for that, if that's what you prefer. I don't know. I'm gonna try and actually start uploading again more consistently. Which might have been before this video. I've probably uploaded a few videos before this. This is the first one I've filmed in months. I haven't filmed a YouTube video in so long. Look forward to it, or don't. Thanks for watching.